Bourbon and Coke? Okay. Gin and tonic? White Zinfandel? Toastmasters and guest. If you was with me back in May 2017, I was on this big, beautiful family land. They were trying to preserve it, acres and acres and acres. And I had a friend that was a asked me to be a bartender. And here come a young man into this place. His name was Mr. Carter. Mr. Carter. Just a few miles, maybe 2 or 3, my family home place, North Gardens. And I'm starting to, I should call this speech, we all connected. I understand that. But Mr. Carter sit here and said that his great, great, great grandfather owned that land. I said, wow. As he came to me, I was getting ready to give out to another drink. I said, Carter? I said, my last name is Carter. My father's family grew up over here. That moment, we had that bro vibe going. Not Elon Musk and Donald Trump, but you went through 400 years of history. He was the descendant of my slave master's family. Only person who was excited was his wife. She was disconnected. She was totally disconnected. Ah, how you doing? I'm like, out of the chains or free or what you mean? And so she started laying out the land. When you come to the former plantation, on the right side of the former, the slaves was buried. The left side, it was the slave master's family buried. After the Civil War, they gave in a lot of the free slaves land, which, if you went to southern part of Albemarle County, North Garden and South Garden. For 2 hours that this event went on, Mr. Carter said nothing. Wife stood at the bar, just quizzing me, and giving me the history of this land and my people that I didn't know. Because 40 acres and a mule, depends on where you were at the time, you might have received it, and somebody might have taken it from you. As it went on, he still didn't say anything to me. I didn't say anything to him. The tension was that it wasn't power. It wasn't powerful enough for me to be mad or angry. But I seen that he was more sad than anything else because he didn't know what I was going to ask for. Reparations? Hey, I know who my... No, I didn't do it. As that event ended, his wife said, well, we need to exchange emails and everything else. I stayed in my power. John, I forgive you. You didn't do anything. But that didn't mean I wouldn't take reparations. That didn't mean I wouldn't take certain things. Because the simple fact is, more I understood what happened on that piece of land, more that they influenced me to sit here and hold my power to a point where I told more people about it. And I said, Mrs. Carter, my stepmother's a genealogist. We only can go back to civil, maybe one generation into before the Civil War, as far as my history goes. But my question is to you, Toastmasters. I've forgiven him. Who do you have to forgive? Is it someone outside of you? Or is the person standing in the mirror? Because a lot of times forgiveness is not for the person that you've forgiven. It's for you to have peace with yourself. One of the things I love about telling this story is because it's a part of me that I'm embracing. And I have embraced. Because the simple fact is, at the end of the day, we all connected. Mr. Toastmaster. Ooh.
Thank you, Melvin, on that speech, bro.